La 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 la. Bismillah, before we eat, makes our meal so pure and sweet. Every bite with thanks we say, Allah blesses us each day. Bread and fruit upon our plate, all things are so great. Milk and water, rice so nice.
Happy hearts and smiling faces, Allah fills our lives with graces. Every blessing, big and small, we say Alhamdulillah for them.
Bismillah, Bismillah, every meal begins this way. Bismillah, Bismillah, thank you Allah every day.
Bismillah, Bismillah, every meal begins this way. Bismillah, Bismillah, thank you Allah